Vitamin C has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits, particularly its role as a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system and skin health. However, there's another surprising and lesser-known use for this vitamin as a hair color remover. If you've ever experienced a hair dye disaster or simply wanted to switch up your hair color without the harsh effects of chemical color removers, vitamin C might just be the natural solution you've been searching for. Understanding hair color, hair dye, especially the permanent variety, can be notoriously stubborn when it comes to removal. These dyes penetrate deep into the hair shaft and bind with the natural melanin pigments, making it challenging to undo the color change. This is where vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, steps in as a gentle yet effective alternative. Vitamin C's efficacy in fading hair color lies in its acidic nature, which can help break down the dye molecules' bonds without causing excessive damage to your hair. How does vitamin C work? Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to break down and remove pigment molecules from your hair. When combined with other ingredients, such as shampoo or water, it creates an environment where the oxidative process begins, gradually lightening the hair color. Benefits of using vitamin C. Using vitamin C as a hair color remover offers several advantages. Firstly, it's a gentle option, especially when compared to harsh chemical treatments. It helps fade the color gradually, reducing the risk of damaging your hair. Secondly, it's affordable and readily available, making it an accessible option for many people. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. How to use vitamin C for hair color removal. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of using vitamin C as a hair color remover. You'll need a few basic ingredients: vitamin C tablets or powder, a sulfate-free shampoo, and a conditioner. Step 1. Start by crushing vitamin C tablets or mixing vitamin C powder with a small amount of water to form a paste. Step 2. Mix the vitamin C powder with an anti-dandruff shampoo to create a paste. Step 3. Apply the mixture to your wet hair, massaging it through thoroughly, focusing on the colored areas. Step 4. Cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap and leave it for 30 to 60 minutes depending on the intensity of color you want to remove. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly, and you'll notice the color fading. Follow up with a conditioner to maintain its health and moisture. Tips and cautions. Before we conclude, here are some essential tips and cautions when using vitamin C as a hair color remover. 1. Patch test. Always do a patch test first to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. 2. Results may vary. The effectiveness of vitamin C can vary depending on the type and color of hair dye used. It may take multiple sessions to achieve the desired results. 3. Maintain hair health. Remember to maintain the health of your hair by using conditioning treatments and avoiding excessive heat styling. It's important to note that the effectiveness of vitamin C as a hair color remover can vary depending on several factors. These factors include the type of hair dye you used, how long it's been in your hair, and your hair's natural porosity. Multiple treatments may be required for complete color removal, and even then, it might not work for everyone. However, one of the significant advantages of using vitamin C is its gentle nature, which means it's far less damaging to your hair compared to harsh chemical removers. In conclusion, vitamin C can be a fantastic natural option for removing unwanted hair color. It's safe, affordable, and relatively easy to use. However, results can vary, so patience and consistent efforts are key. Before trying any hair color removal method, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional stylist to ensure you achieve the best possible outcome. Vitamin C's potential as a hair color remover showcases the versatility of this essential nutrient, highlighting yet another way it can benefit our beauty routines and provide solutions to common cosmetic challenges.